watch me jump on Nash because Nash is pissed out. Fuck, he's pissed out of his head. Fuck, he's funny as shit.
And then fucking
There goes him. Oh, fuck. Watch him. He's on the bed. Fuck, motherfucker. You're holding on the seat. Fuck me. Fuck. Your arm on the seat.
Look, wait, look at the bed, look what you done in the bed. No.
Look what you done on the floor. Fuck.
Yo, that's why you pushing on your shoes. Sleep, motherfucker.
Get back to bed, fuck. Please. Snatch fits in the drankization. Put him on YouTube. Fuck. Fuck. We get the fuck up. Fuck, he is going to go mental. Fuck. Nico.
Is that Bulgaria?
I fucking give it to him tomorrow, motherfucker. I'm gonna listen to this shit.
I told you, a black man doesn't leave the house.
He doesn't live anything. Fucking black man walks into your house, he has to live something. He has to walk out with some shit. He can't walk in and walk out with nothing.
So that's going to walk out and shout your wife. Taking your money. Or taking your shit, fuck.
Fuck, yes, no fucking thing.
Oi, Icaro. Fuck. Icaro. Nash is sick. He's sick because he's been sick on the bed.
No.
Nash has been sick on the bed.
No.
He's sick on the bed. Come see. Fuck. You think I'm joking? Fuck. He's sick on the bed. He's picked up all over the bed. Fuck that shit. Do you wanna see?
No, fuck this shit.
Oh, fuck. I ain't cleaning this up. He's going to clean this up. Come see Nash.
Come into your fucking bed. It's fucked up. Come into your bed. It's fucking done a fucking shit on your bed. Fuck me.
No, he's been sick down here.
Fuck.
You think I was telling you?
What?
Anyway, he could have been sick at his bed before, so it's
fucking
like...
do the face, man. You fucking do the fucking thing.
What the fuck?
Fuck me.
Motherfucker. I'm here, that's funny shit, fuck.
Fuck. What are you gonna do to that shit? Put in the fucking washing machine or something.
Fuck me, fuck.
That's what happens when you fucking
Been
serve
sick on the floor, fuck this shit. Look.
Wait, that what happens when you fucking serve alcohol in the house? Wait, what happens
Get
when
your keys, Nash, get your keys, I'm going.
Get your keys.
Get your keys, Nash,
Because I'm gonna fuck with the shit away.
No, leave it.
Nah, let him
Nash.
sleep, man. No, leave it on here. He's like fucking do it in the morning.
Fuck, in the morning, put that shit away.
What time did your aunt or mom come back or whatever?
Fucking 9 o'clock, you're gonna
Can you do me a favor?
What?
Can you take this iPod and fucking just hold it? Keep it safe.
Just put it there, look.
It's Bulgaria's iPod, man. I want the headphones. I like the headphones.
Boy, I need to put that shit away, fuck.
Tell
No,
him
you
that,
put it in the
when
morning, fuck.
Bulgaria wants his iPod and say where's his iPod, just tell him I got it.
Boy, fuck.
Alright, safe. Thank you very much for your
Boy,
order.
put it
This fucking
Wait, what did you buy?
Lambrini, 3 bottles, big bottles of Lambrini. Then some wine bottle.
fucking
And cans of Strongbow.
I'm out. Look,
Fuck.
I'm out. Fuck. Don't vomit again. You're gonna clean everything. Every single thing. Stop recording, you twat.
I know what it's like.
Oh, I'm
always try to ask.
I'm going to sleep now. Fuck. Don't call me. I'm going to turn off the light.
You always.
They got a shit! Fucking donation!
Right.
With fucking realization!
Yeah,
boy!
I always know what it's like when your picture is trying to act so bad. Like,
Yeah.
then look on his face. I'm going for a shit. Fuck, man. Fuck.
Wait, motherfucker, take care. Fucking you and your fucking shit.